pala kita kay si Cookie. Okay, let's go. Did you already do that? Nag-check in na. 1 second.
I came here from California, here visiting some friends and family. We're also going to be celebrating Liam's birthday, which you're about to see in just very short view. Here's the penthouse that we got. We're about to show you right now, so
Hold on.
give it just a moment.
Okay.
We're actually here at the Delano's Penthouse Suite in Las Vegas.
And what floor is this?
This is the 62nd floor.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and here's the birthday boy. He's sleeping though, just so you can see.
Hi. Okay.
I'm not sure what this room is. But
Maybe we should turn on the lights.
Oh my gosh, Cookie!
Okay.
So this is the bathroom here, the guest bathroom.
Oh, wow.
So you have the guest bathroom here, which is really nice. You got the sink, the toilet, and everything. You come here, you walk into the family room, dining room, living room, whatever you want to call it. You have the giant TV. This is where everyone lounges.
Wow.
The giant couch.
Oh my god, it's... Wow, look at that. It has like an aquarium. The TV has an aquarium channel. Okay.
You also have an office in here, which is pretty awesome. I can find out the light switch. Oh, here.
That's not a mirror?
Here's the office.
So, what room is this?
This is the Delano's Suite Penthouse in Las Vegas.
Oh, wow. And it has 2 rooms or 1 room?
Well, I wasn't told how many rooms this has.
Okay,
but
let's go tour around. Show us around, Michelle.
This is right here is the office. As you can see, there's a table and...
Oh, I can edit here.
Yeah, you can actually sit and enjoy a quiet room to edit and do whatever you like.
Okay.
Here you have another, it's like a living room,
Wow.
small with TV. Here's an actual room. You look on this side, this is amazing. You have the big spa.
Oh, wow.
Spa. You can see the bathroom.
So you can see through it.
Yeah, you can actually go
Oh,
through.
wow. So that's the bathroom, guys. You can see it. There's the shower. And maybe that's the toilet.
Yeah,
And there's
well,
some
you get 2
sculpture
toilets.
here. Right here.
You have 2
And
toilets
then
here.
this is the bedroom. Another TV over here. Look at that. That looks so nice. Okay. And then this, I guess, of course, this is the entrance to the bathroom.
This is the closet area. The walk-in closet.
It looks like a locker.
It's like you can look in. Let's see this side. You get 2 sides actually, which is like the bathroom and the irons. And you can just like, if you have a baby, you can sit here and have a nursery, small nursery section size. You have Mr. and Mrs. Bathroom sink.
Oh, wow, look at that mirror.
Which is like really nice. Here you have a bathroom
So
shower.
his and hers. In the bath. Shower.
Wow.
And there's the dog. There's
Doggy.
a giant jacuzzi that people can actually see what you're doing. If you're showering butt naked here, people can see you there. And
Here
then
you
big
have a
toilet.
2
Wow.
bathroom. You got a men's bathroom and a women's bathroom.
Right.
I'm not sure
And
what's in here.
oh, that's probably like a either a safe or maybe a door to the next door. Wow. That's nice. Really nice.
Let's check the other side, you guys. Oh look, before we do, let's check the views here that we have at this window. If you come to this side.
Oh, I really love this TVs that has screens here.
Here we have the view of the Luxor.
Wow. Beautiful.
And mostly the Excalibur's over there. And then we can see their
The
pools.
T-Mobile Arena.
You can also see the MGM Grand. All the others. Which is really nice. It's an awesome view. You can also see the airport from here.
So I think Sean's was over there on the other side when he did this, because you can see the Raiders on his side.
Nice.
Like if this is the Luxor, the Raiders was there
Nice.
when he rented out on his birthday. All right.
On this side, and the vloggers.
I guess this will be where we're gonna be sleeping tonight. Wow, this is a huge room. Definitely for entertainment.
Yes.
A huge living room here.
Hangout spot.
And then let's see the view over here. Same thing.
Oh, we got a bar here. Yeah, we got a bar right here. You come to this side?
Oh, you know what? Eliza did have... Wow, the baby's still here. The baby's still here. Oh, and he's awake now. Good morning.
Hello, baby. Happy birthday. Let's go.
It's like, why am I over here? I'm just on the floor. Nagising na pala si baby.
Let's tour you around, baby.
Ang luwag talaga, grabe.
Say hello, Daddy.
And this one. And there's a bar. Where? And look at the dining table. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda nito mamayang gabi.
Look it. This is a nice table where we can all sit and eat
Wow.
together as a family.
Oh, so this is the joining room, if in case you wanna have a 2-room. Yeah.
Oh, the magnet.
Oh, cookie.
Okay, come on.
You can only open that if there's... What is this? This is another room. Oh, wow. See, meron pala access dito. If you want people to just access. So this is basically 2 rooms. Cookie, stop. Stop. Cookie, stop.
Cookie.
Get in. Cookie, no.
Cookie,
Stop.
come here. Cookie, inside.
Ayan, walang tao.
Oh, Jesus. Look at it.
Alright, I stopped that. Okay. So, we're still at Delano. I'm actually inside the room right now. I'm gonna try out their big tub. I'm filling it up right now. Gonna try that out. And my mom is taking care of the baby. They are bonding right now. They want to be over there, sitting by the window. And I am going to the bathroom. And what I actually discovered, I discovered something. So my bathtub is filling up right there. And then, so I thought that's the bathroom for the women, and I thought this is actually a urinal right here. But it's not. See, this is a old bidet. Alright, so look at that. You're supposed to sit that there so that it will wash your butt. I did not know that.
Okay, ready.
Alright, so what's going on here? You said this is not just a regular shower?
No, it's actually
What?
a steaming room.
So
you
it's
can
a
see-
steam room?
You can actually see it steaming. You can see the smoke coming out of there. It's actually
yeah.
steaming and it's
Wow.
covering. Starting to fog
So
up.
can you open it? Ah,
Look at that.
Oh my gosh!
This is crazy.
Wow, it's a steam room and a shower.
So you can see the shower running, and then you can see the steam coming.
Wow,
It's
that's
like steaming out.
amazing.
They actually have this to actually keep the air out, which is really nice too, so you don't fog up the whole entire bathroom.
Wow. That's amazing. Oh. Ito naman ngayon ang baby. Trying out the sink. Hi, birthday boy! Hi! Nagtatampisaw sa sink. Sino?